Hi and welcome. In this video we will see how to import the WooCommerce product bundles metadata using the Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin. This is the WooCommerce product bundle plugin. In this video description I have added a link to buy this WooCommerce product bundle plugin. You can check it out there. WooCommerce product bundle is super awesome that lets you create personalized product bundles and bundle discount packages easily. Once you install the plugin in WordPress, it creates additional fields for WooCommerce products. Visit your WordPress dashboard and select Products menu and click Add New. Scroll down. You can find the product bundles option in the product data meta. If you click this, it creates a new section called bundle products. If you click on this, you can see all the meta fields like layout, form location, item grouping, minimum and maximum bundle, and you can add products here to make it bundle. Click on this add product button and search for a product. If you want to add this product, just click on it. In this way you can add products here to bundle them. Each added products has many custom fields like this. Our plugin supports importing data to all these meta fields. Before we import the data, let's see the CSV file I have prepared. In this video description you can get this sample CSV file which will be helpful for you. In the post title field, mention the WooCommerce product bundle title. For product bundle items, I have added the IDs of each product which are separated by a comma. Give value for layout. Here I give the value tabular. For form location, I have added the value before tabs. For item grouping, I have added the value flat. If you want to make the product bundle editable in the cart, then mention yes, otherwise give no. In the optional field, mention yes to include the bundled product in the bundle. You can separate multiple values with pipeline separator. Specify the minimum and maximum quantity of the bundled product and separate multiple values with a pipeline separator. To enable priced individually field, give the value yes or mention the value no. Add the discount value for each bundled product with a pipeline separator. If you want to make the bundled product details on the product page, if you want to make it visible, then mention the value yes. Give multiple values in the pipeline separator. If you want to make the bundled product details visible on the cart or checkout page, mention yes or give the value as no. If you want to make the bundled product details visible in order details of the bundle, mention the value yes. Mention the value yes in the override title field if you want to change the title of the bundled product. Then give the override title value in override title value field. If you want to override bundled product description, then mention the value yes. Give the override description value here. To hide thumbnails of bundled product, mention the value yes and separate multiple values with pipeline separator. And also mention the minimum and maximum quantity of products that must be chosen for each product to purchase the product bundle, like this. Now let's import this CSV file using our Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Move to the WordPress dashboard. Select the Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin. Start to upload the CSV file. Choose WooCommerce product option from the drop down. Next, map the CSV fields with WordPress fields. All the fields are auto-mapped if your CSV and WordPress fields have same headers. Make sure to map all the required fields. To make things easy, we have given a separate widget for product bundle meta fields so that you don't miss any fields to map. You can also map the fields manually like this. Now save this mapping by providing a name here. Now I give the name WooCommerce product bundle. Skip the media handling step. Click the import button to proceed to import. Click view logs to verify the import. Click on admin view. The values are imported successfully. If you check bundle products, you can see all the values are imported, and here you can see 6950 and 6946 are the ID of the bundle product that I have given in my CSV. And all the meta fields data are imported successfully. So this is how you import WooCommerce product bundle data with Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin into WordPress. Not only import, you can also export your WooCommerce product bundle data using our plugin. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video.